Hi, today let's do a first impression video about the Osprey. It's a Transporter WP25 backpack. So it's a dry bag made by Osprey that I will not keep. I was looking for a dry bag for my next bike trip and I'll go with really something else. Okay, new things. Well, it's a dry bag. That is also a backpack. So that's kind of fun. That's great. It's a great backpack. So it can be mounted as a real backpack. It got everything. I would need to make some adjustment, but that's not the point here. So you can wear it as a real backpack. It will be comfortable. The back is great. Of course, I will sweat and it will get wet here. If it rains, that will get wet. But at least the inside is always dry. There's a zipper over here that I do believe is not watertight, but rain resistant, but it is very well protected. And you got the roll top system on top that make it watertight and even airtight. There's nothing getting out. So it could be a great dry backpack, but I really don't like the system that there is on top. Because when you unroll it, yeah, you have access to all your stuff inside, and well, that's great. Well, actually, oh, there's even a little pocket inside here. You can put your wallet and maybe stuff you want to have access more quickly. You got a bit of storage, but for the rest, it's just a big pocket. That's okay. But what I really don't like is this terrible design. Because usually when you got a dry bag, there's those plastic stuff that make everything stick together when you turn it. And actually it's just all, yeah. So when you turn it, it's not satisfying, and there's not enough space for those attached, so they always go inside when you turn it, and they are too small, and it doesn't go well. And usually with drag bag, you got hooks that somewhere around where you can attach, that you can use to attach it on your boat or something like that. Of course, you can go here, but no, I really don't like the design of this. And it's an expensive bag, so no, just because of that, I don't like it. Another thing to consider is that it's black. So usually when you use a dry bag, not usually, but probably most of the time, you're probably on water and there's a lot of sun and it's black. So this will become an oven and all your stuff inside will get really hot because it's airtight and everything. So it will just accumulate the hot temperature. So that's personally a no-go for me. I did find another bag way cheaper that I believe is way better, and I'll talk about it in this video. So I hope this was helpful, and I'll see you in another video. See ya.